Hello and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I have a helmet from Steelbird which has come for a review. In the past I've reviewed a lot of Steelbird helmet, and this is a new one which has come. If you want to watch those videos, I'm going to put a link on the top. You can go check out those videos, and let me send this helmet for an unpack. And there you have the helmet unpacked. And today I'm going to talk about the helmet which Steelbird launched a couple of weeks back. That is SBH 21 Viz and SBH 20 ZIP. So I have the Viz 21 Viz, which is SBH 21 Viz, for the review, and the other one is half mask. So I'm going to review the full mask helmet for you guys and tell you more about this helmet. And this is priced at 849 rupees, so this is definitely for a regular commute and somebody who's looking for an affordable helmet and at the same time wants to have all the safety features. This helmet is definitely a good buy, and I'm going to tell you more about this helmet straight away. This is a very nice looking helmet. Steelbird always comes with a great design because most of the helmets are designed in Italy. Let me show you a 360 degree of this helmet. So the helmet meets the European standard of ECE 22.05, so that means it is definitely safe. And the visor, let's talk about the visor. The visor comes with a Polycarbonate anti-scratch visor. The best part of this helmet is the weight. It just weighs 800 grams. It's really light. And then when you look at the chin buckle, it's a quick release buckle. So you have a small red color tiny bit here. You just pull that up and the lock releases. It's really nice, and then you just put it back. It fits in perfectly fine. And they come in 3 different sizes. I'm going to put a link on the bottom where you can go check out the 3 different sizes in this particular helmet. And if you look at this helmet, it's not the regular shape helmet at all. It looks really a little bit different. So when you come at the front, the jaw line, it's a little thinner. So you feel the entire visor is a much longer visor, but then that's not the case. It's exactly the same. It's just the design of it which looks like that. And let me just wear this helmet and give you a nice perspective of how the helmet looks when you have it on. Wow, what's the best part when you wear this is the vision that you get. So the entire visor is so big, the vision point is so big. You get a very nice view from inside the helmet, so you can actually move your eyes and know what exactly is there in your left or the right. So it has a very nice view angle when you wear this helmet, and also feels comfortable, and it's light. It's just 800 grams, so it feels light as well. And you know, it is super secure as well because it meets the European standard ECE, which is 22.05. And let me talk about how you quickly release your visor. Now that's the visor down, and all you'll have to do is just lift it up, and this quickly releases the visor. Convenience of opening the visor is really good, because normally if you have the entire visor opening on the center, it makes it really difficult to open your visor. This, the best part is, you see this entire place is where you can use any of this corner to open the visor. That is very helpful. Let's open and show you a little inside of this helmet. Let me come a little close. Look at the entire inside of this helmet. So it is well padded. I'm gonna tell you, it's a mass helmet, so the padding inside for the value they bring across is superb, and it is safe as well. So this probably helmet targets the larger audience on a regular commute, guys who would want to have a helmet at a lesser cost, but at the same time it is safe as well. So this comes in that segment where it is nice looking helmet, has a couple of good features, and also fits into your pocket, and not too expensive. So that's the kind of segment this falls in. Okay, now let's talk about in case you have to replace your visor. So you have easy way to release your visor. So both the ends of this helmet, both the side of the helmet, you have this small push button. You slide it from both the ends and the entire visor comes out. So this way you can easily replace, just in case you have to replace a visor. So that's really easy. This helmet is already out in the market. You can visit Steelbird official website. I'm going to put a link on the bottom how you can go and check out this helmet at the Steelbird official website, or you can go to any of the retail shops and check out for this helmet and go buy one of these. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to
subscribe, hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. Until the next time, keep it rolling. Do not drink and drive or ride. Ride safe, drive safe. Bye bye. See you guys.